As some of the Californians know, it's been raining a bunch the past 3 or 4 days. So I was going to show you guys how much brighter and clearer it is today. And then this is like the pavers are all dry. It's insane. Plus, just to show you guys how much the rain was, look at that. That line, that first dark line of water was, you know, how much it rained. And my pool filter has filtered that much out already. So it's still got that lighter little bit to go. But heck darn, that's a lot of rain, peeps. Yeah, that's crazy. Wow, Mother Nature is amazing. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.